Ready to time travel back to the world of accounting software and unlock the secrets of Peachtree 2005. First, let's create your company file. Upon opening Peachtree, you will see several options to begin creating a new company. Click Create a New Company and click Next. Then you can either select from several preset templates or create your own from scratch. Name your company and click Next. This will lead you to a screen where you can choose from different accounting methods. For our purposes, we will select Accrual Accounting and click Next. Now, let's dive into data entry. The Tasks menu is your best friend here. See it on the top. Click that. You'll find all sorts of options like entering sales and invoices, recording payments, and writing checks to enter a new customer invoice. Click on Sales, Invoicing. Here, enter the customer ID, invoice date, item descriptions, and quantities. Be sure to save your work by clicking the Save button at the top. Time to generate some reports. Head over to the Reports menu, typically found on the left-hand side. Choose the type of report you need, such as a balance sheet or income statement. Under Financial Statements, you can then customize the date range to see the information you need. Peachtree allows you to then save the reports. Finally, managing your chart of accounts is crucial. Find the chart of accounts in the Maintenance menu. This is where all of the accounts will live to track company finances. Here, you can add, edit, or delete accounts. And there you have it, a crash course in Peachtree 2005. Now you are equipped to start your business accounting journey.